On this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at the Bontrager Garmin Edge 1030 GPS computer. This is a slightly revised Garmin Edge 1030 with a couple of updates to make it set into the Bontrager brand. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do is unbox and show you what comes inside it, help explain why I chose to get the Bontrager version of the Garmin Edge 1030 rather than just the standard Garmin Edge 1030, and then also we'll find out exactly what it weighs. Now look forward in the future to see an in-depth review of this after it's been on my bike, and then also check the description below because I'll have a link to an unboxing of the standard Garmin Edge 1030 GPS computer. So the unboxing experience with this is going to be very similar to what you would get with a traditional Garmin Edge 1030. So the 1030 is the top of the line version of the Garmin, and you'll see this is a non-bundled version. So that means it's coming with a flush mount as well as a standard mount. You should have a tether and a micro USB, and then it's going to get some interesting features. So on the side of the box, you'll see the two features that come with it because it is a Bontrager version, and then you're also going to have your traditional features as well. So when we pop this open, we'll pull it out of the box here. You'll notice we've got a traditional Garmin Edge 1030. So instead of saying Garmin, it'll actually say Bontrager. And this will bring us to one of the reasons that I chose to get the Bontrager version of this computer rather than the Garmin. And that's going to be the color. So this computer is actually all black. And a traditional Garmin 1030 will actually be white. And I just thought, over time, since I do a ton of mountain biking and this computer is going to be coming on and off of, a lot of different bikes, the black look is both going to stay nicer, but I also appreciate the aesthetic. Inside of the package, you'll see that it's going to come with those features we said. So this has got the micro USB cable. It'll come with, it's actually two of these quarter turn strap mounts. You'll get some adapters for different size handlebars for the bar clamp. Of course, you'll get that out front bar clamp. It's actually interesting, it says Garmin on it, not Bontrager. And then inside, you'll get your manuals for this computer. Now, when we think about some of the features of this Garmin, a few of the things that are going to be, really important to it is, first off, the 3.5-inch clear display. So this is a pretty high sensitivity touchscreen display. I've played with the Garmin version of this computer quite extensively. It's also going to be set up with a couple of cool features. First is it's going to be set up with features to run Bontrager's RT lights. Those are the wirelessly connected Bontrager lights. You can adjust the pattern, turn them on and off, all of that included. And then it's also going to be set up where you can add service intervals on here. So if you're like me and you know that your chain at X number of miles on the road bike, you really have to change it, you can actually have the Garmin or Bontrager computer in this case set it up so that it'll automatically remind you of when it's time to do that. The other neat thing is when paired with the Bontrager lights, it's actually turned on already to have auto on light control, meaning you just turn on your Garmin and it'll pop your lights on as well. And as part of the setup with this Bontrager computer, it's going to have your screen sensitivity set to high and auto pause enabled with auto lap disabled. So basically they're taking some of the setup and doing it for you. So let's go ahead and power it on and we'll see what it looks like. So it's going to start up. That's a nice splash screen, Bontrager powered by Garmin. Looks like it's coming with 38% charge. And then it's just going to be the normal setup screen. So let me go ahead and go through this and we'll catch back in a second. So with setup done, we've got kind of the standard screen you would expect. It's going to have some of your connected features, which this is going to have all of the things like incident detection, your device transfers, group track, all that kind of stuff. New with the 1030, you've got your battery save mode. You're going to be able to set up a ton of profiles as well. And just It's pretty cool looking. The setup here is pretty much the same as what you would have with a traditional Garmin 1030. It's just got a few different features. You know, the setup here really does allow you to go through, and it works quite nice. So let's go ahead and see what this weighs, and then remember, be sure to watch the in-depth review after I've gotten a chance to use this quite a bit. So the Bontrager Garmin Edge 1030 is going to come in and weigh 124 grams. Well, thanks for watching this video on the Bontrager Garmin Edge 1030. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video.